In this video, I want to provide the solution to the Integral Online Test T2, question 8. And we have an expression here that we want to approximate by a polynomial. So we're going to use our small angle approximations. So let's just write down what they are. We know that tan x is approximately equal to x for small values of x. We know that cosine x is approximately equal to 1 minus a half x squared for small values of x, and we know that sine x is approximately equal to x for small values of x. But we need to be a little bit careful because in this question we have cosine 2x and we also have sine 4x. So using this same idea, we need to replace our x's in our cosine small angle approximation with 2x's. So cosine 2x is approximately equal to 1 minus a half. I'm replacing this x with a 2x, ensuring we remember we have brackets around this 2x. We have a small angle approximation for cosine 2x. And if we just expand those out and simplify, we can get 1 minus a half of 4x squared. A half of 4x squared is 2x squared. So it's 1 minus 2x squared. And similarly here, we need to replace our x in our small angle approximation for sine with a 4x. So in the sine 4x is approximately equal to 4x. Okay, so now what we need to do is make these substitutions into the expression x tan x plus cos 2x minus 3 sine 4x. So we know for small values of x, this is approximately equal to x. Well, our small angle approximation for tan x is x, so x times x, plus cos 2x, which we said for small values of x is approximately 1 minus 2x squared. Subtract 3 lots of sine 4x, but for small values of x, that's approximately 4x. So simplifying this expression, we get x squared plus 1 minus 2x squared minus 12x, which is negative x squared, negative 12x plus 1. And let's be very, very careful about this. A is the constant term, so our value of a here is 1. B is the coefficient of x, so our value of b is negative 12. And a is the coefficient, and c is the coefficient of x squared, so our value of c is negative 1. So we have c is negative 1, b is negative 12, and a is 1. So to conclude, we can say that x tan x plus cos 2x subtract 3 sine 4x is approximately equal to minus x squared minus 12x plus 1. But remember, we use the small angle approximation, so this isn't always true. This approximation, and this is approximately, is only for small values of x.